Welcome back to the channel, everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most shocking luxury performance SUVs ever imagined, the all-new 2026 Porsche Dominator X. This machine looks like it escaped from the future, and honestly, it might completely change the way people think about high-performance SUVs forever. If you thought Porsche had already reached the limit with speed, luxury, and technology, wait until you see what the Dominator X brings to the table. Right from the very first glance, this SUV screams aggression. The front fascia is sharp, futuristic, and unbelievably bold, with ultra-thin LED headlights stretching across the front end like a high-tech weapon. The massive air intakes and sculpted hood make the Dominator X look powerful even when it's standing still. Porsche clearly designed this vehicle to dominate roads, highways, and probably racetracks too. Moving around the side profile, the Dominator X features muscular fenders, massive performance wheels, and a coupe-inspired roofline that gives it an athletic appearance, unlike anything else in its class. The aerodynamic body lines are smooth but incredibly aggressive, creating a perfect balance between luxury, elegance, and motorsport attitude. Every angle of this SUV looks camera-ready. At the rear, things get even crazier. A full with-eddy taillight bar, active rear spoiler quad exhaust setup, and an aggressive diffuser make the Dominator X feel like a supercar disguised as an SUV. Porsche designers definitely wanted this thing to stand out day or night, and they absolutely succeeded. Now let's talk about the cabin, because this interior looks absolutely insane. The 2026 Porsche Dominator X combines futuristic technology with handcrafted luxury materials that instantly make you feel like you're driving something special. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, ambient lighting, and a fully digital cockpit create an atmosphere that feels more like a luxury spaceship than a traditional SUV. The curved display system stretches beautifully across the dashboard, giving the driver instant access to navigation, performance settings, entertainment, and advanced driving controls. The seats are deeply bolstered for sporty driving, but still offer first-class comfort for long road trips. Rear passengers also get premium space, luxury climate controls, and advanced entertainment features that make every ride enjoyable. One of the coolest features inside the Dominator X is the advanced AI driving assistance system. This technology learns driver habits, adjusts performance settings automatically, and even predicts navigation routes based on your daily routine. It's the kind of futuristic innovation people expect from next-generation luxury vehicles. But let's be honest, performance is what really matters in a push, and this thing sounds absolutely wild. Rumors suggest the 2026 Dominator X could produce over 800 horsepower from a hybrid twin-turbo powertrain, making it one of the fastest SUV ever created. Imagine launching from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds while sitting in a full luxury SUV. That's supercar territory. Yeah. The all-wheel drive system delivers insane grip, while adaptive suspension technology keeps the vehicle stable even at extremely high speeds. Whether you're cruising through the city, attacking mountain roads, or hitting the highway, the Dominator X promises a driving experience that feels powerful, smooth, and incredibly exciting. Porsche is also expected to equip this SUV with advanced rear wheel steering, active aerodynamics, and multiple drive modes that transform the personality of the vehicle instantly. One moment it behaves like a comfortable luxury cruiser, and the next it turns into a performance monster ready for the track. As for pricing, the 2026 Porsche Dominator X definitely won't come cheap. Experts expect the starting price to land somewhere around $120,000, while fully loaded performance trims could easily push beyond $250,000. But for buyers wanting extreme luxury, futuristic technology, and insane performance all in one package, this SUV might actually be worth every single dollar. So, what do you think about the 2026 Porsche Dominator X? Is this the ultimate future luxury SUV? Or is Porsche taking performance too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest automotive reveals and future supercar content right here on the channel.